Welcome back, crypto folks. How are you all doing? So guys, you can see that the frequency of the uploads is certainly going to change, guys. It's not going to be every single day of me rambling into your ears. It is most likely going to be alternative days, guys, and it's not going to be your, let's say, simple market of day structure. Things are going to be looking interesting down the line, guys. The branding is about to change. The name as well for this entire initiative is about to change as well. But with that said, guys, we got a lot of things to talk about in this video, so let's jump on the first piece of information, I guess. But guys, check this one out. This is something which I posted on Discord itself yesterday. I was not really confident about the trade itself because the market conditions were not that nice. But in terms of the price action structure, this one was looking like a potentially a good looking breakout. Like this could have been a good looking breakout, guys. So which is why we as traders, we have to take chances in the market. We have to take risks in the market according to good risk to reward opportunities and good risk management as well, right? Which is why, guys, this was a clear cut 1 to 10 R in the market, right? And I just simply posted on Discord, guys. I took the trade myself. Yep, I did that. And well, guys, the Discord is not available for free. The pricing structure is very simple. It is going to be one Solana for 6 months. It's very simple, guys. That is the pricing structure, and with that price you get all you literally get all the setups which I trade myself, guys, which I trade myself in the market, and you are going to be getting all of the setup for 6 months, and that is going to cost you 1 Solana. Alright, so enough of salesman's job right here, but guys, let's jump onto the price action, and we can see that Bitcoin has started shaping out nice from these zones, guys. This is something which you'd like to see, right? Okay, where's the rectangle? Okay, there we go. So this one is holding out to be support, guys. You can see in the daily knife frame itself multiple attempts to break this floor to the downside, but again and again you're getting picked up, and simply you are being thrown to the upside. As soon as you interact onto $40,000 levels, you can see the relevancy, guys. This one is getting picked up again and again. Although out of this entire structure, we were hoping for a 618 retest at the $38,000 levels, which never happened, guys. Holy shit, I can remember this exact thing happening here as well, man. Wow, man, holy shit. Okay, so why do I say this? Because, guys, look, out of this entire structure, we just fell a little short of the 618 retest, guys. You can see that the price action wigged all the way until $29,000, but the 618 was sitting in at 26,000, 27,000, guys, and this is something we were expecting back when Bitcoin was retracing down below, and then we could have thought of Bitcoin going to 52,000 after that, right? But essentially, guys, you can see the fractals are repeating once again. We did not do the T retest the 618, the golden pocket. Holy shit, our golden pocket is getting irrelevant day by day. Maybe because market participants simply want. Guys, it could be possible that market participants are simply front running the fuck out of each other in these dynamics, guys. Because look, it keeps on getting difficult, guys. If liquidity keeps on drying out from the market, it keeps on getting difficult for any trader to survive as a whole in the market, guys. These are simple basic things, right? But does that mean that we're going to be leaving all of these good looking trends down the gutter? No, guys, you have to be vigilant and you have to plan your trades in advance. If you're not doing that, allow me to do that. You can join the Discord server, right? Okay, guys, so what do you do to join the Discord server? You can leave DMs. You can DM me on Discord. So no, on Twitter. You can send me messages on Twitter. You can tell me that I want to join the Discord and I want to be in the cult with you, so that I can create status for you and you can make free money out of it. And would that be a financial advice? I guess not, but the car would keep on rolling, right? Okay, guys, so Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame, we can see that this level is pretty much clear, guys. Holding 40,000 means that most of the crypto assets are simply going to be free floating to the upside, and this is what I was talking about, guys. This was one single looking piece of price action which kind of had me convinced. But yes, guys, this is what we are supposed to do as traders. We're supposed to take those, we're supposed to jump into the risk to reward opportunities, and we are supposed to play these things and allow our risk management to do the rest of the part, guys. Where are we targeting for this one? Well, to be honest with you, the extreme small time frames targets were right here at 45,000, guys. You know the deal. Bitcoin has to start trending above this exact zone, and once it starts doing that, guys, watch for Solana most likely taking out $145 to $150 as well. This is something which we'll talk about as well in the coming section. Yeah. Alright. So yes, guys, this is something which you have to take care of. Bitcoin, if you see this exact 4-hour candle trending above $45,000, that would give you a clear cut indication that most likely we will teleport all the way towards 48,500, and your ultimate target being the last rejection high sitting in at 618 out of this bearish leg, guys. This bearish leg, right? If you just take this entire price action structure from the top and we pull it down all the way towards the structure low at $30,000, you can see that the rejection came in from 382. All right, wait, my bad. We are talking about bearish retracement. We're not talking about bullish retracements. All right, so yes, guys, the 618 had this price action rejection going on. Okay, for bearish retracements, you would want to test the 618, right? But for bullish retests, you're getting front run, guys. You're getting front run on the major massive structure in terms of the bullish retest, guys. The buying, all right, I would say the smart money is still fucking buying Bitcoin, guys. I'm not even kidding, guys. This kind of behavior tells us that the wrecked money is getting wrecked by the day, but the smart money is still acquiring Bitcoin, guys. The smart money still wants to acquire Bitcoin. It's just as clear as that. Because you're getting front run at the buying zones, but you're not getting front run at the selling zones, guys. Essentially, not a lot of time to buy Bitcoin whenever it comes down on the key levels. This is something which I can conclude. This is something which my instinctive thought process is telling me, guys. This is something which I have noticed myself. If your, let's just say, if your bearish retracements are getting front ran, that means that there is good amount of bullish bias in terms of the smart concentration, in terms of the smart money playing the market, guys. Yes, they are interested towards the buying end. Okay, we're going to be jumping right off into Solana, guys. You can see the levels are quite literally demarcated, and this is like spoon feeding. I'm quite literally spoon feeding all of you guys right here. So manage your risk, but it's not a financial advice. It can't be a financial advice, right? So manage your risk below 130 on a closing basis, guys. The first target is 150, and watch for Bitcoin actually establishing a good looking support above $45,000, and that is when Solana takes away. And most likely, guys, if Bitcoin starts trending above 40,000 and starts retesting 50,000, we could be looking at this entire zone come into fruition, guys. As you can see that the golden pocket is sitting in at 180 and 170. It's between 180 and 170, right? Which is why, guys, you have two rejection points going on. You have multiple confluence on the price action, which is telling us that if Bitcoin is setting in bullish from these zones, maybe Solana could pull all the way towards 175, 180, guys. And ultimate targets are going to be at the range high from where we got rejected like a little bitch. Came down all the way towards $115, guys. All right, so that could mean that the price action, once we establish a good support here, we could teleport all the way towards the range highs, guys. Now, am I going to be overextending my welcome in the market, and am I going to be thinking that Solana will simply go to $500? Probably not, guys. In the bigger picture, until Bitcoin is below $58,000, I will be selling the range highs, and I will be buying the range lows, guys. It's very, very simple, right? Very, very simple and precise. So manage your risk properly. Most likely this will work fine, and this setup is also looking fine, guys. Although, to be honest with you, to be completely honest with you guys, look, my gut feelings are telling me that something like this will happen on Solana, guys. Holy shit, this is going to be, which is why, guys, look, to be honest with you, I'm not going to be going for futures long exposure on Solana itself. I will be simply holding the spot markets for this asset as well, which is why, am I going to be extending my, guys, it's going to be on a closing basis. It's going to be on a 12-hour closing basis, guys. Now, why do I say this on Solana particularly? Because this bastard piece of price action on the 12-hour time frame, wow, that was good. Now, this piece of price action on the 12-hour time frame can look like this, all right? This can do something like this, where everybody gets wrecked to the downside for about, I don't know, guys, 30%, and then it simply just shoots to the upside. So, yes, guys, Solana's price action loves putting in bearish traps, guys. Now, check this one out, guys. 10% bear trap, and then you fuck off to the moon once again, right? Now, simple enough, guys, one more time right here, 10% bear trap, and then bam, you go. So Solana kind of likes doing this. So would it really surprise me if something like that happened? Like, guys, similarly, I mean, what the heck is this shit, guys? Just check this one out, guys. A clear-cut grind and a squeeze resolution breakout was about to happen on Solana, but nope. You're gonna go down first, and then we're gonna go up, right? We're just gonna break this entire structure to the downside, and we're gonna be just printing in that illusion in the market that this is a falling wedge which is breaking down. But nope, your 12-hour closes right at the T, and then bam, you go to the upside for about, I don't know, guys, this was a 100% move right after the bear trap. I remember, yes, this was crazy, guys, which is why we should be aware of the manipulations in the market, guys. Most likely this could be considered manipulation in different ways, but would it be fair enough to just simply call this manipulation, guys? No, I don't think so, because look, guys, crypto assets are fixed in supply, and if everybody sells, it is going to be working to the key levels where everybody is trying to buy, guys, because we have those huge gaps on crypto assets, right? We just have, sometimes we have our order books not being that liquid, which is why these wicks are immediately bought, and which is why the price action simply rolls to the upside after creating a bear trap, guys. Am I exactly expecting something like that happening right here, guys? Look, no, but it could happen. It could just simply come back right here, which is why, guys, for me and my holdings on Solana, I'm managing my risk like this. The 12-hour candle should always close above $120. Should always close above $120, guys. If 12-hour candles start closing below 120, that could mean that we could be simply slipping and sliding down and coming down all the way to it's $60 on Solana. Could happen, guys, could happen, could not happen, but until then the price action structure looks fine. Just be vigilant in the markets and manage your risk accordingly, right? With that said, let's take a look at some good looking protocols. This is called Step Finance. Now, guys, the thing about Step Finance right here is that if you DeFi, if you like DeFiing in the market, maybe, guys, this is one of the, look, guys, I'm not just simply going to talk about Step Finance. I will also talk about, all right, I think I'm just, all right, ORCA and Step Finance, guys. If you combine both of these exchanges, like, all right, this is the DeFi tracker right here, but if you do your activities right here and track them on Step Finance, holy shit, guys, just try it for yourself, right? Before even commenting on these things, I would just like to tell all of you guys to just try these DeFi platforms, man. Holy crap, these are good, guys. Now, Step Finance is crazy, and guys, if you jump onto the Twitter, holy shit, they are going about for some crazy amount of innovations, guys. Something that Sushi Swap team has been trying to do for a very long time, guys. Step Finance and their team had all of those things as their fundamental basis, right? As their basic plans, guys. Now, Sushi is trying to scale. Step Finance is starting with that scaled mindset already, guys, which is why I'm going to be comparing Step Finance right on par with Sushi Swap, guys. It is just as simple as that, right? Because you can literally do all the swap activities. Alright, guys. Now, this is where you can provide liquidity as well. So this is an entire DEX as well, guys. Now, DEX plus DeFi plus staking plus, I don't know, guys, do we have staking right here? No, we don't have staking, but yes, liquidity mining certainly. But Step Finance is able to do all of these things with crazy amount of fundamental things going on behind their code as well, guys, which is why Step Finance could be put on par with Sushi Swap as a whole. At least this is something which I would like to compare, guys. And just check this out, guys. Just check this entire system and this entire protocol on your own. I do feel that they have a catchy name as well. Now, pretty vague looking thought process right here, but guys, look, simplest of the things will make a lot of sense to a lot of people, guys. Step Finance, just like step farming, right? We all are farmers. If you're just trying to yield something from the markets every single day, we're trying to farm, guys. Are we modern day fucking farmers right here? Nope. Although, yes, if you are 100% DeFi enthusiast, if you're only yielding, maybe, yes, you can be a farmer. You can be called as a farmer, guys. But yes, guys, it's quite interesting. The digital era doesn't care about your regular, I don't know, grains or something. All they care about is yield farming, financial farming. That's just crazy, guys. This is right. So this is a good looking DeFi tracker, guys. You can do all of your lending, borrowing activities all across different platforms on Solana, and then if you just paste your wallet right here, all of your DeFi activities will simply magically appear right here, guys. Now, this is similar to Sonar Watch as well, something which I've talked about on my Solana ecosystem video, right? Now, Sonar.watch is also a good looking DeFi tracker, but I do not think we have these crazy features on Sonar Watch, guys. Okay, with that said, guys, I do hope that all of you check this one out. I think that this is simply one of the protocols, guys, which I've been using ever since the inception, guys. I remember Step Finance once came into Radium back when Radium was at 200 million or something like that total lock value. Now Radium is at almost $2 billion, guys. We are simply rolling to the upside. Volumes keep on flowing in, and this one has been under constant development, guys. This project, this protocol has been under constant development, guys. Constant development. Teams are just on par with their work, guys. Just people behind this project, I can simply put a blindfold in my eyes and trust the people behind this project, right? Okay, with that said, guys, the last project for the day is ORCA. This one raised a Series A funding round, guys. This one is getting legit and legit, guys. Holy crap, guys. ORCA is the exchange for the people, man. Just look at the branding right here. And what do you have to do if you want to swap, if you want to exchange, guys? Holy shit, just check this out, right? 0.1 sold to maybe Samo. And you hit enter, guys. This one will calculate everything and just you just have to hit one exchange and it'll be sorted, guys. Or maybe sold to USDC right here. Just hit enter and it will just, guys, this is also a DEX aggregator. It will find the best information and it will give you the best prices calculated all across the Solana ecosystem, and all you have to do is just type right here. ORCA will do the stuff for you and hit exchange, guys. This one is faster than Radium, man. Holy shit, I'm saying that. Yes. ORCA is faster than Radium, guys. Just check this project on your own. You got crazy amount of pools right here on ORCA, just like Step Finance or just like any other DeFi. Radium as well, guys. But we have good looking returns going on right here on ORCA. And when these DeFi protocols are new in the market, maybe making use of these things will actually work out, guys. For example, right here you can see the price action structure for Samo and Solana as a whole. It's looking completely fine. So what you can do is, guys, if you can simply go ahead and you can provide liquidity on this pair right here and bag some returns for maybe a month or something like that, maybe until the entire Solana's price action and the ecosystem is simply going to the upside. That is when you simply go ahead to ORCA and provide liquidity on these protocols, guys, which are yielding good returns. Although yes, there are chances. Yes, guys, everything will come with a risk. Every DeFi activity will come with a risk, guys. Specifically providing liquidity will always have a risk, guys. Now, what is that risk called? It's called impermanent loss. It's called impermanent loss. If Samo loses its base value as you are providing liquidity right into this pool, the initial liquidity that you've provided would start depreciating in value, guys. That is called impermanent loss, right? I think there are a lot of creators out in YouTube who have done a great job explaining the impermanent loss situation, but this is something which you have to keep in mind before jumping into these liquidity mining things, guys. Just do your research and holy shit, try this exchange out. I mean, I'm pretty much excited to look at this, and the way they raised, guys, Series A being raised, Series B is also going to be raised. I think this is legit, guys. Legit money is being pushed into ORCA, and I feel a lot of things, right? I simply feel a lot of things. Check this out for yourself. You will know what I'm talking about. Alright, guys, with that said, I'm going to be winding up this video right here, right now, and I will catch all of you day after tomorrow. Bye for now.